Welcome to SK Chotagu. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Chotagu Basel on January 8, 2023. Diagonal Chotagu, RX Chotagu. In this diagonal and fourth row, we have 1 and 8 and 5. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only one number is remaining 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, column G, and in this diagonal we have 1 and 9 and 7 and 8, 2 and 5 and 1 and 4 and 6. It's all the 8 numbers can't come in this cell. Then only one number is remaining 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column G, we have 8. In this diagonal also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 9th grade and 5th grade we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, and in this diagonal and 6th row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then in this diagonal, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 5th grade, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th row and column C, we have 7. 5th grade also we have 7. 2nd row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th grade and 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 9th row we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th grade we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then in this diagonal, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 6. Column B also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column H we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, column H we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column J we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column E we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column E we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have pair number 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 9. 6th grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, we have 6. 6th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 7th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column F, column G, we have 7. 9th row and 8th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have 1. 10th row and 9th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, only one number is remaining. 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.